Morning students, today we discuss about FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It is also a network protocol, and as we know that protocols are the set of rules which are required for the proper functioning of the internet. So FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is a standard internet protocol for transmitting files between computers on the internet over TCP or IP connection. It is a client server protocol where a client will ask for a file and a local or a remote server will provide it. For example, we want to download a file. So हमें कोई फ़ाइल डाउनलोड करनी है तो हम क्लाइंट हुए, वी रिक्वेस्ट फॉर दैट फाइल विच वी वांट टू डाउनलोड. तो जो उसका रिमोट जहाँ वो फाइल होगी जहाँ से आपको डाउनलोड करनी है वो लोकल या रिमोट सर्वर आपको प्रोवाइड कर देगा वो फाइल टू योर कंप्यूटर. सेम एज इट इज़ है, आपको कोई फ़ाइल अपलोड करनी है तो अपलोड करने के लिए भी हम FTP फाइल ट्रांसफ़र प्रोटोकॉल यूज़ करेंगे. अब यस आप जैसे हमें कोई फ़ाइल अपलोड करनी है तो आप अपने कंप्यूटर से फ़ाइल को अपलोड कर रहे हो, तो सो यू आर अ क्लाइंट, यू आर आस्किंग फॉर अ सर्विस दैट यू वांट टू अपलोड अ फाइल. इंटरनेट पे अपलोड किया थ्रू FTP एंड देन यू लोड ऑन द याहू वेब होस्टिंग. आपने वेब होस्टिंग कर दी, आपकी फ़ाइल अपलोड हो गई. Now, file transfer protocol is the simplest and most secure way to exchange files over the internet. Transferring files from client computer to a server computer is called uploading, and transferring file from a server to a client is a downloading. Means जब हम अपने कंप्यूटर से क्लाइंट अपने लैपटॉप से या कोई भी कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइस है उससे फाइल सर्वर पे डाल रहा है, डेट इज़ नोन एज अपलोडिंग. और सेम हम सर्वर से कोई फाइल अपने कंप्यूटर में डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं, डेट इज़ नोन एज डाउनलोडिंग. To access an FTP server, user must be able to connect to the internet or an intranet via a modem or a LAN with an FTP client program. FTP does not really move, it copies files from one computer to another. FTP is the file transfer protocol in the internet's TCP IP protocol suite's application layer. And FTP client is a software that is designed to move files back and forth between two computers over the internet. It needs to be installed on your computer and can only be used with a live connection to the internet. Now, FTP clients, some commonly used FTP clients include the following: Farzilla, a popular FTP client which is freely available for Windows, Macintosh, and Linux users, available as a free download from the internet. Next is Fire FTP, a plugin for the popular Firefox web browser that can be used just like a standalone FTP program installed through the Firefox browser. Next, Dreamweaver, page layout or a design program which include FTP access as one of its many features, available for purchase from Adobe. Now, features of FTP. FTP operates in a client-server environment, meaning that the remote machine is configured as a server and consequently waits for other machine, mostly clients, to request a service from it. In Unix, the service is provided by what is called a daemon, a small task that runs in the background. The FTP daemon is called FTPD. FTP protocol is used for transferring one file at a time in either direction between the client machine or server machine, and between the client machine, the one which initiated the connection, that is the calling machine, and the server machine which provided the FTP services, that is the called machine. The FTP protocols can also perform other actions such as creating and deleting directories, listing files, deleting and renaming files, etc. Example, you can download MP3, online games, Other events like auctions and online trading using FTP to transact business. FTP is commonly used to transfer web pages, files from their creator to the computer that act as the server for everyone on the internet. Now, FTP advantages. It is very useful for transferring files from one network in an organization to another. Second, it is very effective way to get a geographically dispersed group to cooperate on a project. It is the potent and popular way to share information over the internet. Now, objective of FTP: first, to promote the sharing of files. Second, to encourage direct or implicit use of remote computers. Next, to shield a user from variation in the file storage system among hosts, and to transfer data reliably and efficiently. FTP, through usable directly by a user at a terminal, is designed mainly for use by programs. So this is all about the FTP, file transfer protocol. Thank you.